exciting 아니에요, exciting.
So you were just invited?
오자마자 저를 만미하게 해주신. 네. So hi guys, thank you for taking care of me.
No worries.
Yeah, thank you.
괜찮아요.
Yeah, taking care of this baby from South Korea. Like my mother and father. Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah. He paid 550 and then 500 is amount. Ah, got it. But the metro in India is really developed compared to the other country. Like, 저기 끊임없이 호갱을 하셔. 아니 로컬이 안 탄다잖아. 로컬이 안 탄다 하시는데 너무 열일하셔요. 아, 하이. 나마스테.
안녕하세요.
Namaste.
안녕하세요.
I'm so sorry. I will be the push-up or something. So I need to get the punishment though. 난리가 났어요. Hi. yeah. There. Wow. Exciting 아니에요, exciting. So exciting, exciting India, wow. So we are taking e-rickshaw and then you go to where? Where do you go? Majurukatila?
Yeah.
What is that?
It is like little tip of India. Market.
A market?
Market and place.
Ah, okay.
Like
Hi guys. That's exactly what I wanted. Wow. Okay. I will sit here. How do you guys know each other, by the way?
We met because of
K-Connect?
Yeah, we met through K-Connect, the
Yeah.
Korean culture program.
Oh. Honored to hear that. Okay. Thank you. Oh.
Same here.
1, 2, 3. Jump. What was that?
What young people usually hang out like this, having lunch together and then playing cham. You don't drink a lot, right? Oh.
They drink, but I don't.
They drink.
And this guy, he only drank soju first time.
How did you like it, soju? When you drank it?
It was good.
Was good?
The taste was good, not bitter. It was normal.
But it's not really strong. Was it strong?
No.
Yeah, it's like a water.
Yeah, exactly.
How many bottles can you drink?
I can't guarantee, but last time I drank 1 bottle by myself.
One whole bottle?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can't guarantee about 2 or something, yeah, but I can adjust by 1 bottle. I'm not sure about the second or
Yeah, well you're young, so you have more time. So as time goes by, if you keep drinking, you can drink like me, up to 3 bottles. I like your bracelet, by the way. That's Indian traditional?
Yeah. Actually,
Oh.
we have a festival.
Oh. You just like a Korean meal.
Actually, they have two types of food. Like one is
What a sweet sisters, huh? Yeah.
I want to upload on Instagram.
Hi.
cow is our mother.
Oh?
Yeah.
Hi, mother. Hi, 엄마. 어머니. We have to take a picture with 어머니 too. What? Is it mosquitoes? Oh my gosh.
They like you, I think.
Yeah, they like me a lot, I guess. Here.
Yes. So I'm the only one who got attacked by mosquitoes.
Yeah, you're the only
I think.
What? 안녕하세요. Yeah.
제일만 환희합니다.
아니.
I don't know it proper.
Well, you're good. You're good.
But I live in India.
There are many Koreans, right? Here.
Yeah, for me.
Ah. And then tell your friends that I got really welcomed by mosquitoes. Thousands of them. Wow.
We even don't know.
Chalo. Wow, it's so crowded. Wow. Let's go. Yes. So crowded. Yeah, please. Okay, I can regard it.
See, it was a birthday treat, so you... What you are saying?
Just tell him
But-
that
Even she was asking to pay, but I denied to her.
it's
Why?
a birthday party, so you were just invited.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all.
So, you said you're gonna have something traditional, but you're going to karaoke?
No.
Is it your traditional?
Why? I don't know why they are going there.
But it's up to them. So I'm 인도 젊은이들이 어떻게 노는지 보여달라고 분명히 전달을 했는데 가라오케를 다시 한번 얘기했는데 이렇게 노신다고. 야.
Easy. Calm down.
It is actually soundproof.
유튜브를 연결해서 이렇게 스윙을 하지. 오자마자 해서 좀 에어컨 좀 틀고 좀 식히고 하고 싶었는데 땀이 식을 시간이 없네. 싸우지 마. 난리 났어. 와, 발리우드가 괜히 나온 게 아니구나. 쩔로. What the heck? What? Oh.
Rain and here is
Again.
it's raining sometimes.
Sometimes.
Particular area.
But getting stronger.
Yeah.
Donkey and
Amazing.
carriage in this season, sunlight and
Sunlight and rain. Yeah, I can see.
donkey marriage.
I think we have something similar. I forgot. Maybe the same.
Yes, yeah, you can
Yeah.
see religion. You can't eat after and
How are you there? Why are you guys wearing masks now?
mask पहन के इतनी गर्मी लग रही है अचानक से.
We have to? On the road? We have to? The mask on the road, then you have to pay penalty or something?
yeah.
How much do you pay?
5,000.
500 rupees.
It's like 2,000. Now it's 500.
Ah. Wow. So I want to get this one.
It's enough.
Yeah.
It's actually temporary. It's temporary.
Yeah, temporary. Yeah. It's okay. That's why. I can make a tattoo. Oh, yeah?
Sometimes it will be different. But when you wash your hands and do your
Like this.
Your mother's.
भैया रोक दो.
Oh, there. Yeah.
And these days, lots of festivals are going on. If you go to Mumbai,
Jagyan in Indian. How do you do that?
Well, honey.
Yeah.
बाबू सोना.
Babu Shona?
It's my bunny bee.
So once again, do you have to open your eyes that way when you speak? Which market are we going now?
we are going to Lajpat Nagar.
लाजपत नगर.
Lajpat Nagar.
Weren't we going to Chandni Chowk?
लाजपत नगर.
Lajpat Nagar. Oh, can you say Taj Mahal once again, please?
ताज महल.
Taj Mahal.
ताज महल.
You don't have to speak slowly. Just the original version.
ताज महल.
Taj Mahal.
ताज महल.
Let's go.
You were asking about dumplings. We have dumplings in every street.
Oh, momos, yeah.
Every corner of the city has dumplings.
Semolina. So many cookery shows.
Yeah, same here.
Are you okay?
भैया ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो भैया? Nice.
Try.
Okay, I guess. ये ऑफ हो गया क्या?
पता नहीं.
It's just sweet chili, sweet chili. It's good.
It's nice. It's nice. इतना दे मुझे भी.
इन्हें एक आटे का और खिला, सूजी का खिलाया, आटे का.
But I'm full, I'm sorry. I can't eat anymore.
It's done.
And can I ask you a question? So why do you guys feel the safety in New Delhi? Do you think it's safe or?
It's not completely safe at night.
Okay.
At night.
Oh.
But in daylight it is fine.
Okay, okay. Why do you say it's not really safe?
Nice.
Something happens?
Yeah. There are a lot of robbers.
Robbers?
So you can.
Oh. Then I have to be worried about it then?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh.
No, not that safe.
Girls?
Yeah,
Oh.
especially girls.
So we're going to a bazaar.
This one is really famous for momos.
Momos. Oh.
Everyone knows about it, Dalma and Momo.
Okay. Checking up on.
Where?
Oh, the
Lucky.
oh yeah, lucky.
Lucky. The lucky.
So this is really for men.
Yeah.
Oh, so from Armenia, Iran, and then now India. Thank you so much, your sisters. Anis.
Okay.
Anis.
Sure.
그래도 이제 어두워지니까 조금 서늘해지네요. To be honest, I was dying in the daytime, but now it's okay. 근데 이게 뭔가 있긴 있는데 뭔가 걸을 수 있는지 모르겠어요. So, you know, I don't really understand what this is for.
I'm better director.